Okay, so check this out. This cat has 3.9 million followers on her account with only 29, okay, 29 videos. So all she had to do was, what's going on? If you're a small business, a freelancer, or a self-employed, medium business, large business, it doesn't matter. If you are looking to grow on TikTok and leverage the virality of that platform, then congratulations for clicking on this video, because in this video I'm going to give you a way on how to get specific strategies to find endless ideas for your content. I'm gonna show you how you can optimize your profile so that you can start on that platform and blow up very fast. Okay, so you are a very smart person because you know and realize that TikTok right now is very trending and the algorithm works in our favor, meaning that it can push out your content very fast and you can get your brand awareness, free leads, all that kind of stuff very easy and fast. So that's what we want, right? So here is a way how you can do that. So in a moment I'm gonna jump in my computer and I'm gonna show you specific accounts that you can get inspired from, and you can see how they are approaching their content so that you can, you know, not copy but model off of them. Okay, also I'm going to show you the number one thing that you must, it's an absolute must, and you have to follow this rule like a religion, okay, then you must have on your profile, because without that, zero leads, zero success, zero sales, zero brand awareness, zero everything. Okay, so stay tuned till the end of the video because you don't want to miss out on any of those steps that I'm going to show you throughout this video. Also, shameless plug, sorry, I know that you're dying to discover these strategies, but YouTube made me do it. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe, follow, and also hit that notification bell button, because on this channel I provide content on how to create freedom online, passive income throughout online strategies that are training, that are working right now. So you don't want to miss out on any new video that I put out every week. And also, if you feel that you are receiving value, the only thing that I ask in exchange is give me a little like. Okay, so do that right now before you forget. Okay, do that right now. Click the like. Okay, it's for free and YouTube loves it, I love it, and that's awesome. Have you clicked that? Because if you didn't, I'm not going to continue with the video. Okay, so click the like, boom. So let's jump to my computer and see what I mean. Alright, so first tip, I know that your time is precious, mine is too. I don't want to waste your time. Let's get right to the nitty-gritty, and this is the tip number one on how to grow on TikTok very fast. Okay, so you might know or might not know that TikTok is basically built around music and sounds. Okay, so you can use this website. It's called talkboard.com, which is free to use, and there you will find a list of trending sounds or music that are for that week. Okay, so every time you jump on this website, you will see a list of freshly and updated trending sounds and music. Okay, TikTok was before Musical.ly, so music is very important, and trending music is even more important to use for your videos, because when the TikTok algorithm picks up on that sound that is currently taking off, it's gonna push your content more out to the new people. So tip number two, you can also follow these two accounts. I'm sure there's plenty more. And these two guys, what they do is they are providing what is called trend alerts. What it means is that basically they discover a new song or new sound that is currently taking off and becoming viral, and they are giving you proof of other accounts that have, for example, very little following. I don't know, an account with 200 followers and that uses a certain sound that reaches up to 1 million or more views, or a couple 100,000, which is unlikely for that small amount of follower account. That means that if you use that sound and you would add it to your favorites, you can then put it and adjust it towards your content and use it in the background. You know, you don't have to blast it up all the way up, the volume, the song. You can just put it to the bare minimum, especially if you're speaking or if you're teaching something on your videos. But that sound itself will drive the algorithm to push it out and show it to more people. Okay, so these are very powerful tips. Use this website or follow these two accounts for trending sound alerts. Okay, let's move on. And now I'm going to show you a couple accounts that I found that you can get inspired, that you can model off of, okay, that are very successful in terms of their approach to the style of content, okay? So check this out. For example, this one is one very niche down, and it's about men with the pot, okay? So basically, as you can see, I'm not gonna open any of those videos because I don't want to be banned because of the trademark sound that YouTube does not allow, you know. So I'm not gonna open that. But as you can see, for example, he is using cooking in the woods, you know, pots and knives. What is his product? Knives. Check this out. This beautiful knife. All the videos, how he can, you know, masterfully uses that knife, how sharp it is, and it's all, you know, like dedicated to men who like, you know, the outdoors and how to, you know, be manly and how to use the knives and shit like that. So basically, this account is very, very cool, very eye-pleasing, very original content. And as you can see, this video has like 4.2 million, 2.3 million, 5 million views. Like each video has millions of views, okay? And they have over 6.3 million of followers, okay? Next account, and that's the account that I showed you at the very beginning of this video. It's this chick, Texas Bee Works, okay? This chick has only 29, check this out. That's the bottom of a page, okay? Only 29 videos on her TikTok account, and she got over 3.9 million followers. Now the reason is, and that's the exact same reason as per the previous TikTok account, is because of the content. It is so interesting, it is so cool, and it is so different, you know. It's not like everybody else jumping around and dancing and, you know, showing their tits and stuff. Like, this is very interesting. So as you can see, her niche is bees and how to save bees and how to work with bees and how bees are important and everything like that. So now, why did I decide to show you these two accounts? First of all, that's the tip number 3. Your content should be always original, because the more original it is, the more original approach it has, the better, okay? Because if you are just like everybody else, you know, this is just boring, you know. On TikTok, you can see people doing the same fucking dances and this, like, all, like, who cares, okay? You know what I mean? So you should be original, especially if you are a business owner. So you should be very creative, and TikTok has so many tools and layovers and sound effects and B-rolls and all kinds of effects. You don't have to be a pro video editor. You just have to use and play with the tools that TikTok already provides. And listen to me, if you play with it an hour or two, you will basically master. It has green screens that can jump through your palm. It gets green screen behind you. Like, you can use so many tools that TikTok provides. And to be creative, that this is like awesome, okay? So you don't have to be a pro. Just think about how you can get your message across in a very original way, using all the tools for free that TikTok already provides you, and putting the taking off and viral, becoming viral sound effects behind your video content. So let's recap. Tip number 1 to grow on TikTok and get your free leads is to use and leverage the trending sounds and music. I already showed you how. I already showed you who you can follow for the trend alerts and which website to use for free, so you can get your free list of currently taking off music and sound effects. Okay, tip number 1. Tip number 2, I showed you 2 accounts that they are using very original approach to their content, okay? So you can use that and be original and play with all the tools that TikTok provides you and become very creative on how you will structure your content, okay? Because guess what? The most successful TikTok accounts use 2 factors, okay? One of them is entertainment and the other one is education. Now, check this out. If you combine the 2, edutainment, okay, then it's a winning formula, okay? So be creative. TikTok gives you all the tools needed to be creative and playful, and just think about how you can structure your content so it's original and educative at the same time, right? And now, drum roll please, because now this is the number 1 thing that you must not forget to optimize your profile, because without this, this will not work at all. You will not receive free leads, you will not receive any sales, nothing. Okay, so, and that is, check this out, what, for example, these two accounts have in common if you check their bio. Okay, number one, number two, right? What they have in common is this little thing right here, a link. From the very get-go, especially if you are beginning, you should have a link that directly leads to a landing page, preferably, okay, where you can collect immediately free leads for something that in exchange, you know, that's the sales funnel and whatever your business is about, that you will give them the lead magnet, for example. And for example, if you are a dog trainer, you will capture their attention with your original account, which by the way, in each video, you should have a call to action. Okay, listen to me very carefully. Okay, almost forgot. Okay, every video should have a call to action, meaning you should tell them what to do, pointing to the link in the bio. Okay, so you should direct them to the link. That's the only purpose, to create engaging original content with the call to action so that they can go click the link in your bio and get on the landing page where they will receive a lead magnet, something for free in exchange for their email address or telephone number or their name, whatever your funnel is about, right? So you should follow these steps. Okay, link in your bio, call to action, original content backed by trending sounds and music. Okay, now a lot of the times you may hear out there that you have to have first 1,000 followers in order for you to be able to put your link in your bio, which is bullshit. You can go to your settings and change your account, switch basically your account to a pro account, and that will give you the opportunity to link a website or a landing page to your profile bio right from the get-go. Okay, so that's what's up. Okay, now, very important thing, if you would like to learn more how to leverage TikTok, how to leverage all these internet platforms that we have at our fingertips for free to maximize profits, to maximize lead generations without spending money endlessly and aimlessly on ads and things like that. If you would like to learn more, or how to get these free leads using TikTok and other platforms, I would like to invite you to this 15-day online training, which will give you all the tools and all the strategies and all the information needed for you to leverage and for you to know how to leverage all these platforms and TikTok. And this strategy that I just shared with you, how to find the trending sounds, how to put your link, how to structure your content, and how to do the call to action and what they should land on, a landing page, lead magnet, and all that kind of stuff. If that sounds kind of strange, if you don't know exactly how to set up all these things, I invite you to take this 15-day online business challenge. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. Okay, not only you will get the full training on how you can leverage TikTok, how to maximize the platform, how to set up your profile, and all the strategies that I just showed you and more, how to start generating free leads on TikTok, but also the part of this is the 15-day training challenge, where you will learn more strategies, how to set up your funnels, how to set up your landing pages, how to set up your lead generation magnets, and all that kind of stuff. Within the 15 days, each day you will receive a new video, how to do that with the assignment attached to it. And also what is included is your 101 personal business advisor, which will help you to develop your business plan, especially if you're just starting out. If you're just starting out, or if you're a veteran but you don't know how to leverage all these internet platforms, all these tools and all these technicalities, which might seem overwhelming. If you don't know how to do that, click the link in the description for just $1 freaking dollar. Okay, it cannot be easier than that. For just $1, you will get a full training on how to leverage TikTok, okay? And the 15-day online business challenge is included. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Go check it out. I don't know when are you watching this video, maybe it's in the future. So if you click on that link and it's no longer $1, because this will spike up, this is a new program that they're launching, so you better take advantage of that right now. At the moment of filming this video, the price is $1. I'm not sure if it's gonna go up. probably it will go up. So if you watch this video and you click on that link, it's still $1, then good for you. If not, then maybe they just put it up. But it's a tremendous offer, jam-packed of value, so jump on it. You are a very smart person because you clicked on this video, because you know that it has a lot of potential to grow your business through the virality of TikTok. It's the training that I took myself, and it helped me tremendously jumpstart my business and put all these strategies in place so it can work on autopilot and I don't have to do everything manually. So I cannot recommend it enough. That's why I'm talking about it. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And again, if you like this video, if it brought you value, give it a like. And till next time, my friend, go online, go out there and make it happen, okay? Next time, take care.